is this guy?
I don't know. It's a Mark IV. It's probably broke down, honestly.
I've never wanted to see a purple Mark IV so bad in my entire life.
Me too. I hope it's a VR6 car. Somebody should call it.
Yeah, I considered it.
What's up, players?
Yeah, finally.
What's up, dudes?
What's up, dude? Where's the charcoal?
Right.
Yeah.
This is actually genius.
I don't know what you guys are complaining about. We got hot dogs and burgers right here.
Guys, wait! Wait! I have the charcoal!
What's that?
I mean,